In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create blog posts inside of Shopify. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Shopify like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go over to the left-hand menu and go over to content. Then from here, you need to go down to blog posts, and here you'll see all of your already existing written blog posts. But if you don't already have it, it should be looking something like this. Then you need to click create blog post. Then this page is popping up where you can add a title for the specific blog post. You can add the content of the blog post. You can add an excerpt or a summary for the specific blog post. And down here you can also add the search engine listing. And if you click edit down here, you'll see that the listing will go on to your store and this URL right here. Down here you can also change the page title, and you can add the meta description and change the URL handle if you want to do that. Then from here you need to go up to visibility, where you can either click hidden or visible, and you can change when the blog post should go live and click set visibility date. You can also down here add an image if you want to do that. You can add the organization, meaning the author of the blog post, the blog, where it should be saved, and specific tags. You can also down here add a theme template if you want to do that. But when you're done, you still need to click save, and then that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!